Today we will see how to find HCF of 16 and 24 using individual prime factorization method. Please follow the below steps to solve this problem. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of 16 and 24 individually. Using the below steps, let us find the prime factorization of 16 and the prime factorization of 24. Since we have already practiced several problems on prime factorization, we will skip this step. So, the prime factorization of 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Got it? Also, the prime factorization of 24 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Got it? Let us move on to step 2. Identify the common prime factors of 16 and 24. Observe here 2, 2 and 2 are the prime factors that are common to both 16 and 24. So, the common prime factors of 16 and 24 are 2, 2 and 2. Got it? Now, let us move on to step 3. Multiply the common prime factors. In this case, the product of common prime factors is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 gives you 8. Therefore, HCF of 16 and 24 is 8. Got it? This means that 8 is the greatest positive integer that divides both 16 and 24 exactly, without leaving any remainder. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.